Hey, it's Jonas. How's it going? How would you like to 10x your engagement on Facebook, on your posts, your Facebook lives, get way more likes, comments, and shares? In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can do that. One way you can do that. Now, if you are in the 10x Facebook group already and you watched the video in that group, you can skip the rest of this video, go down below, click on the button to get started if there's a button there. If enrollment is open, click on the button. If there's no button there, that means enrollment is closed, and I'll probably put a sign up there to get on the waiting list for the next session. Okay? So how do you 10x your engagement? I know a lot of people are probably wondering how do you do that? First of all, I think we all understand if you want more engagement, you want more reach. If you want Facebook to show your post, your Facebook Live and your regular posts to more people, the more engagement you have, the more results you're going to get, right? And Facebook's going to show it to more people. Lately, we've heard that Facebook is running out of newsfeed space, so to speak. More and more people are posting and realizing the power of Facebook to build a business with. And if you're on this page, I'm sure you're probably building a business as well. So, how do we do that? Well, we have what we call an engagement chat, Facebook engagement chat. What it is basically it's a group of entrepreneurs from all different companies, but people that are working to build a business using Facebook, probably all in the home business network marketing space, maybe some affiliate marketers. And we all work together. We all give each other engagement, right? We have a Facebook chat where you drop your links in the chat, and then you go comment on the other members' posts, and in turn they're going to comment on yours, right? It's a give-get system. Basically, you're giving a lot of other people engagement, and then they're giving you engagement back. Now, in response to that, because of all that engagement, Facebook's going to show it to that many more people, and you'll get a lot more engagement from outside of just the people in the chat or in the group, right? So one problem, okay, let me back up. I used to be a part of a group like this, and I ran out of time. Here was the problem. This group is getting so large so quickly. I ran out of time. I didn't have time to comment on this many people's posts. It was overwhelming. And so what I decided, you know what, this is taking too much time. 1 to 2 hours per day I was spending in commenting on other people's posts. Now obviously the engagement I got was fantastic. I got tons and tons more engagement than I had previously, what was awesome. It absolutely works. But it was just too big. And so I thought about this for a couple of weeks, and I decided, okay, what's the best way to do this for the average person so they get the engagement, but they don't run out of time? And so I decided to create our own group, our group chats, and we're going to only allow 25 people in each chat, okay? 25 people in each chat. And then they can only post or share their links of their posts twice per day. 2 posts per day in the chat. You can post as many times as you want, but studies have shown that 1 to 3 times per day posting on Facebook is about right at the moment. With the amount of, if you do more than that, you're hurting yourself, right? So 2 posts per day at the max, 25 people per group. Now, once there's 25 people, we have more people that want to join, we'll start the second group, okay? And then once that one's full, 25 people, we'll start the third group, and so on and so forth. So one thing I did notice though is it takes some work, it takes some effort to admin these groups. Make sure everything's working properly, make sure everybody understands what's happening and how this all works, and then obviously take care of answered questions and things like that. And I was like, do I really want that commitment? Do I really want to do that? And I was like, well, yes, I think the payoff is definitely going to be worth it. And so I decided to do this, but I only want committed, serious people. Only the people that are serious about giving engagement in return for receiving a lot more engagement, right? And so if you're not willing to give, don't even join, right? And because, you have to learn to give in order to receive. So we decided, instead of just making this completely free for everybody, we could do that. It doesn't cost us anything to set it up, but our time is valuable. We don't want to waste your time. I know you probably don't want to waste our time. So we decided to charge $5 for this. Okay, if you want to be a part of the chat, be a part of the group, $5, okay? $5 per chat. Now, if you're one of those overachievers and you want to be in more than one chat, we'll let you do that. If we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 chats going with 25 people in each one, you want to be in more than one, pay another $5, you can be in another one, okay? Now, if there's multiple ones going and you want to leave one and join another one, just to engage with some different people for a change, you can do that too. We'll just leave this one and join a different one. Perfectly fine. That's no problem at all. That way you change things up a little bit. That way you're not always engaging on the same 25 people, and you get different 25 people commenting on your things, right? So if that all makes sense, if this looks like something you would like to be a part of, and one more thing. If you're running Facebook ads, I've noticed a huge difference if you put the link to your Facebook ad in the chat and all those 25 people or however many people comment and like and react and comment to that Facebook ad. Facebook makes it a lot less expensive. It makes it cheaper. They're going to show it to more people. It raises your relevancy score on your ad because of all the engagement you're getting, and it saves you money because of all the engagement. So that was one extra bonus I noticed. I do run some Facebook ads, and so I noticed when I shared an ad, that's exactly what happened, and I was like, this is fantastic. So if you don't want to pay $5, probably not for you. You can go start your own group if you want to, but let me just tell you, it is a little bit of work to get it all set up and taken care of, and then make sure it keeps running smoothly and take care of all those people. So more power to you if you want to go start your own, or go down below. If the button is there to order or pay your $5, it goes to PayPal, or you can also pay with a credit card. Go ahead and click on the button below and get started. As soon as you paid, make sure you message me on Facebook so I can add you to the chat right away and you can get started immediately. Okay? And if there's no button down below, that means enrollment is closed, and you can sign up for notification for when we do reopen it, if and when we do reopen it. So you'll be first to know. Okay? Thanks for watching, and I hope you decide to join us, and we'll see you in the group.